Legal disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello, Flat Earth Trading Society members. This is Rob again. We are on to Trade 24. If you don't know what's going on by now, for somehow you stumbled on, this is your first video, welcome. What we're doing is we're picking random stocks with random methods because we think the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is that all the books, all the websites are all about the entry and very little is about the exit. We say the exit is way more important than the entry, and to prove that, we're choosing random stocks with random methods, being long or short, it doesn't matter, and applying position management rules. So what do we have for trade number 24? Well, it is Friday, and over the last couple Fridays, we've done news. 2 weeks ago, we did Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift. Travis Swift, that works too. Last week, we did cybersecurity. This week, the news is just too depressing. I definitely do not want to make light of what's going on in the news, so I'm going to pick something a little bit more light as far as news goes. This was a suggestion from one of our members to say, Rob, why don't you take the top song this week and then take the first letters of each part of the song, so each word, so if it's a 3-word song, there would be the first 3 letters, and make a ticker symbol out of that. So let's go do that because the actual news way too depressing this week. Now, we could do top song in all sorts of genres, jazz, whatever, but I am just going to put in top song this week. That's all I'm going to put in. Top song this week. We'll go to the Billboard Hot 100, or should we go to American Top 40? It should be about, 40 sounds less than 100. I don't want to go through 100. Okay. The number one song, and I'm not surprised that I haven't heard it, is Vampire by Olivia Rodrigo. All right, so that is the number one top 40 by Ryan Seacrest song. So that tells us it is a ticker symbol V. V is the ticker symbol that we'll look at. Just kind of interesting to see, like, what else is out there. Taylor Swift up at number 6. Okay, well, let's do it. Vampire, V is it. Let me put in the ticker symbol V. I already know that's going to be Visa. All right, Visa is the trade. And we can see Visa hasn't really done much. It's gone up a little bit, all the way up to 250, down to 228. At this point, all we care about is which way the 13 EMA is sloping, and it is sloping higher. So this is going to be a long in Visa. The current price is $237.34, and the current ATR is $339. $339 is the current ATR. So let's go build our ticket out. Today is October 13th, 2023, and thanks to Olivia Rodrigo, we are going with the ticker symbol V. We are going to be long. $237.35 is the entry price. I'm sure we'll have a different price when we get into it. ATR was $339, so that means that we are going to start off with a trailing stop of $6.78, which puts us down to $230.57. The only thing we need to figure out is our position size, so let's go to a position sizing calculator. First thing we need to do is get our account balance. Today is an ugly day for our portfolio. All of our longs are down, all of our shorts are up, but guess what? That's just what happens with trading. So let's go figure out what is our account balance at the moment. Our account balance is $99,882. Let's go put that in a position sizing calculator. Account value of $99,882. Risk is 1%. The entry is $237.35. The stop loss is at $230.57. Let's get rid of these. They got to make you put in zeros. We have 147 shares are our position size. So let's go make the trade. Let's come up here and put in V, hopefully for victory. We are going to be buying 147 shares. And right now the bid is 237.30. All right, so I'm going to put this order up above the market just to make sure we get it. This thing is moving, and this is a high price stock, so we may have to adjust this. Let me put in my stop. Stop loss is going to be a trail, and the trail amount was $6.78. That is 2x ATR. We'll go to submit. All right, our final fill was $237.306. We'll round that up to $237.31. Our trade is long V, 147 shares. Our entry price was $237.31. We've already got our stop in there. If we get to 244.09, we will move our 2x ATR to a 1.5x ATR. If we get to 250.87, we will just move it to 1 ATR and let it ride from there. Remember, we're going to cut our losers, hold our winners as long as we can. What do we do after this? Nothing. The trade's either going to work or it's not. You could stress about it. You can think about it. There's nothing you can do to change the result of what is about to happen. That's totally out of your control. The only thing you get to control is you. And you probably are going to screw it up. So just let it happen. That's the secret of position management. Goodbye, everyone.